Are you worried about rising prices and a potential recession? President Trump's latest tariff rollback could be a game changer. On April 9th, President Trump announced a surprising 90-day pause on most tariffs, slashing them to 10%. But don't get too comfortable yet. Tariffs on Chinese imports have skyrocketed to 125%. China hit back hard with 84% tariffs on all U.S. goods, and the EU joined the fray with up to 25% levies on American products like soybeans, meat, and even ice cream. Despite the chaos, markets initially loved the news, with the Dow and S&P 500 seeing their best days in years. Yet the overall market is still down from pre-Liberation Day levels, and economic anxiety among Americans is rising fast. Economists are warning this 90-day pause might just be a temporary relief. Goldman Sachs even adjusted their recession forecast to a 45% chance. So, what's the takeaway? While there's a temporary break in tariff tensions, the economic roller coaster is far from over. Stay tuned and stay informed. Your wallet depends on it.